There are many ways to organize your tests in ESGI with subject tabs. Let's find out how. This video will show how to organize your subjects in ESGI. Think about how you'd like to group together your tests in ESGI for easy reporting. Once you have a subject tab chosen, that data will print on the reports on the right-hand side. The easiest way to create a subject tab is to scroll all the way over on your home screen and click on Add Subject Tab. Then name it. Perhaps this is Unit 5 in Math. Next, add a test to that subject tab. Click the Add Test. Then find the name of the test. Click the box and done. Now that test has been added to your home screen. Another way that you can add tests to this same subject tab is to go to the Test Explorer. In the Test Explorer, you will find over 2,000 tests to choose from in ESGI. To make it easier, we have provided you filters. You can filter by grade level, content area, noted series, noted author, and subject tab. Perhaps you are looking for kindergarten math tests. Apply those two filters, and now you can see all the tests that we have here. If you need a shapes test for that unit of study, go ahead and click the name of the test. Here, you can preview the test. If you like this test and you would like to use it as is, go ahead and use that drop-down menu to find your Unit 5 Math subject tab. Now, if you'd like to use this test but you'd like to make some changes to it, go ahead and click Copy Test. This gives you a full editable version of the test. It is recommended that you rename the test. Then, view the details so that you could remove questions if you'd like, add questions, or rearrange the test. Once you have it the way that you'd like it, add it to that subject tab, and save and close. Back on the home screen, let's go back to that Unit 5 Math tab. I have chosen it here. You can see 2 tests ready to go. Choose a student and test the student, and then print out reports. If you have any questions about how to add subject tabs, please visit our support site.